Morning to everyone. I am studying in SRIT Mechanical Department. Today I am introducing 7 segment digital counting. Introducing to 7 segment digital counting. The 7 segment digital play is a individual device used to display decimal numbers and some alphabetic characters. It is completely founded in digital clocks, calculator and electric meters. Understanding how it how it works is estimated for digiting digital counting and display systems. Next, structure of 7 segment display. 7 segment display consists of 7 individual LED segments arranging in a figure 8 pattern. Each segment is labeled first A to G and can be illuminated independently for different numbers. An 8 LED known as the display points is often individual for additional display options. How to segments from digital. It turning specific segments are on off and display can represent the digital 0 to 9. For example, to display the number of 1 from only display B and C are in illuminated. The communication of active segments created the individual representative of each number. Display the 7 segments in device during individual increment numbers segmenting and displaying them in real time. Counter can be implemented using digital logic current like flip-flop and counters. The display uploads along automatically as the counter value changes, providing a visual count. Type of counter used in digital counting. Up counter Up counter increases the counter value each clock plays, while down counter decreases it. Binary counter are common, but BCD is a binary coding decimal counter as used for binary displays. Counter can be the psychromatics and astronomers depending on their designing and application. Drive the 7 segment display. Transfer the drives or integrated drives ICS are used to control the segments efficiently. Multiplexing techniques allow multiple digital digits to be displayed with flow 1 by 0 points. Properly current to multiply the resistors are com, are estimated to protect the LED segments from digital damage. Advantages of 7 segment display. Simple to understand and easy to implemented in various current electric projects. Convert cost effective solution for for displaying a numerical formation, while available to competitive with many digital current electric points. Elimination and alternative alternative limited limitation and alternative limited to display numbers and some alphabetic characters are not complex graphics cannot display detailed images or complex symbols. Alternative included dot matrix displays and see LCDs from more advanced individual represented. Summary and conclusion. The 7 segment displays is for fundamental components for visual digital counting systems. Understanding it, operation and control methods is crucial for electrical digital design projects. It simplifies simplicity for cost effectiveness and versatility, make it a popular choice in digital electric. Thank you for thank you for this opportunity, sir.